Okay, welcome back to this video. I thought I've watched my videos. Alright, so this is my basics on how to start with faces. I'm using the Avatar character, I mean the one from the Avatar Way of Water. I think that's movie has been trumping, bringing a lot of money into the box office. So the first things about Avatar is that I think that drawing with references is good for faces. Just maintain smoother lines and put add a lot of detail to certain positions. Like for example, I added a lot of detail to the eyes in this one, and I added a lot of detail to the eyes. So that's mostly basically it. And yeah, so and also I'm inviting you to check out my channel on my drawings and check out my drawings. This is video is more like an invitation, so and please subscribe to my channel. And this video is more like an invitation. It's kind of short, so it's just an invitation for you guys to check out my channel and see a lot of cool stuff, and I'll be wanting you guys to check things out, to see what I have on my channel. So I'll be drawing cool stuff for you guys. So okay, so and that's basically it. I hope you like the drawings. I just did this recently, so this is more like that little girl. So subscribe, please.